Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing a rollback. Make a full backup of files and the database, then store it offsite. Next, log in via FTP or your host file manager using the credentials you prepared. This gives direct file control. Once connected, locate the theme folder and the active theme indicator in your CMS settings. Make a small time-stamped copy of the theme folder now so you can revert. This initial copy prevents accidental permanent loss as you proceed. You must deactivate the theme in the CMS first. Switch to a built-in default to avoid site breakage. Once the default is active, delete the theme folder through FTP or the file manager, and also remove theme-specific plugins or child themes. Then, check the database for theme options, widgets, or custom tables. Export those records before deleting so you can restore them if needed. Taking these careful steps prevents orphaned references that could cause errors after removal. Once files are removed, clear all caches, server, CDN, and browser to ensure the site serves the current state. Then systematically test. Open main pages, menus, widgets, forms, and mobile layouts to catch missing styles or broken scripts. If you encounter issues, consult error logs to pinpoint missing files or database calls, and restore the backup if needed while you diagnose. One key troubleshooting tip: if PHP errors appear, revert to the backup and re-enable debugging to trace the exact theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.